Ready, sir? Hello students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are discussing 10th class mathematics assignment number 8 related to sets. Here is the first question. The number of proper subsets of a set 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3 is. So what are the subsets of this set? What is the difference between subsets and proper subsets? What is the difference? Proper subsets means excluding this set itself, that is 1, 2, 3. All subsets excluding set itself. So the number of proper subsets of the given set containing n elements, suppose a set containing n elements, then the number of proper subsets of that set is 2 power n minus 1. This minus number of subsets of a given set containing n elements 2 power n. Number of proper subsets means we subtract total number of subsets minus the set itself, right, minus 1. So that is equal to, the set contain how many elements? 3 elements, right. So n is equal to 3, that is 2 cube minus 1, that is equal to 2 cube is 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So number of proper subsets are 7. Number of proper subsets are 7. What are the subsets of this set 1, 2, 3? Set 1, 2, 3, right. What are the subsets? Subsets is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, and empty set and set 1, 2, 3. These 8 are subsets of this given set. Proper subsets means excluding this set itself. Remaining these 7 are the proper subsets of that given set. So the answer is fourth option. Coming to the next problem, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, then n of P of A is equal to 2 power k, then k square minus 1. What is P of A first of all? P of A means power set of A. What is power set? All subsets of A are the elements of power set of A. All the subsets of A, all subsets of A are the elements of power set of A, are the elements of power set of A. So A is equal to this n of A. Total number of elements in set A is 3. So the number of subsets of A is, number of subsets of A is 2 power n, right, that is 2 cube, right, total 3 elements, 2 cube, that is equal to 8. Number of subsets of A is 8. So number of power sets of A is, number of power set of A is n of P of A is equal to 8. Why? Because all subsets are the elements of power set. All subsets of A is elements of power set. So power set A contain how many elements? 8 elements. So this 8 can be written as, given P of A is equal to 2 power k, right. This is equal to 2 power k. That implies 2 cube is equal to, 8 can be written as 2 cube, 2 power k, implies k is equal to 3, implies k is equal to 3. Now what you have to find? K square minus 1, k square minus 1, that is equal to 3 square minus 1 is equal to 9 minus 1, 8. So that value is 8, k square minus 1 value is 8. So the correct answer is option 1. Now coming to the third problem, if A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, C is equal to 2, 3, 4, then A minus B intersection C. First of all, find B intersection C. What is B intersection C? B intersection C means common elements in the set A and B, common elements on both the sets B and C. So that is equal to A intersection B is equal to 1, 2, 3 A, B, that is B intersection C is 2, 3, 4. What are the common elements? Here 2, 3, 2, 3. These 2, 3 are the common elements of both B and C. Both the sets B and C. So B intersection C is 2, 3. 2, 3. Now what you have to find? A minus B intersection C. A minus B intersection C. That is equal to what is A? A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 minus what is B intersection C? 2, 3. What is this minus? This minus means the elements which are in set A but not in B. But not in B. That is equal to, if you see this 2 is not there, okay, no problem, 3 is there, so you cancel this one. So what are the remaining sets in A? That is 1, 5, 7, 9. The elements which are in A, not in B intersection C, that is 1, 5, 7, 9. So the correct option is second option, 1, 5, 7, 9. The elements which are in A but not in B intersection C. Now coming to the next problem. Two finite sets have M and N elements respectively. M and N elements respectively. If the total number of subsets of first set is 56 more than the total number of subsets of the second set, the value of M and N respectively are. Two finite sets. Let A, B are two finite sets. A, B are two finite sets. So A containing how many elements? N of A is equal to how many elements? M elements. And B contains how many elements? N of B, number of elements in B is equal to N elements respectively. If the total number of subsets of first set, what are the total number of subsets of this N of A? So N of P of N of P of A is equal to 2 power M, right? Number of subsets. N of A contain n elements, then A have how many subsets? 2 power n subsets, comma N of P of B, power set of B is equal to 2 power n elements. Number of subsets is 2 power n. Now given that the number, if the total number of subsets of first set is 56 more than the total number of subsets of the second set. So given 2 power m number of subsets of set A is equal to 2 power n plus 56. That implies 2 power m minus 2 power n is equal to 56. This is possible only if m is equal to 6 and n is equal to 3. M is equal to 6 and n equal to 3. If you substitute m is equal to 6, that is 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is equal to 64 and n is equal to 3. 2 cube is 8. So 64 minus 8, 56. So therefore the values of m comma n are 6 comma 3. M and n are respectively right. M is equal to 6, n is equal to 3. So the correct answer is third option, right? Coming to the next problem. If P is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 3 between 1 and 20. So P is equal to multiples of 3 lies between 1 and 20. 1 and 20. That is multiples of 3 means 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, next one 21, but is given condition is lies between 1 and 20 till here. This is set P. Next Q is equal to, what is Q? X such that X is an even natural number up to 15, only. So natural numbers, even natural number starts from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, right? These are all natural numbers. Then find P intersection Q. P intersection Q. Intersection means common elements in the both the sets. Common elements in both the sets, both P and Q. Here 2 are there, 4 are there. So 6 is the common element of both the sets, right? 6 is common element. Next 8 is not there, 10 is not there, 12 is not there. So 12 is there, right? 12, 12. So 6, 12 are the common elements of the both the sets. So P intersection Q is equal to 6, 12. 6, 12. So the correct option is 3, 6, 12. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.